I will not. Hey, half of my heart is here.
Hi guys, welcome back. So the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro come with quad camera setup on the back with a circular camera setup, but we don't know how it's look like on the front design. But in today's video I'm gonna show you how a smartphone it look like. So the protective film of Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro has already showing up on the internet. Twitter Ice Universe has tweeted a picture of what is claimed to be a protective film which will be used on the Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. The image already showing up on Weibo. Although the upcoming Mate device are not to be expected to launch anytime before October, the Mate lineup usually feature company most advanced tech for the year. If the leak is to be believed, it gives an idea about what the bezel of the upcoming Mate phone could be look like. However, on the top of the image it's blurred, which could be hiding a notch or the punch hole display. So according to Ben Gaskin, Huawei Mate 30 Pro render based on leaks show up about how its design looks like, but after that the Ice Universe also tweet on their Twitter that Mate 30 Pro does not have a hole, it's a small notch. So I believe that the Mate 30 Pro come with a water drop notch with a minimum notch on the top of the display. In addition to this, the rear glass panel of phone also leaked recently showed that the camera module of the device could be round, featuring a quad camera setup on the back with a circular setup. So the expected specification of Mate 30 Pro including a 6.71-inch curved AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 7 Pro was earlier launched with a 19Hz refresh rate on the display. The upcoming Mate Pro though could be powered by Kirin 985 chipset and a 4000 mAh battery or more. On the back there is a quad camera setup with 40 megapixel primary sensor with 20 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and there is a TOF camera sensor. So coming to the operating system, a report from Huawei Center said that the Huawei is inviting people to test its operating system on the new device that might be a Huawei Mate 30 phone. That according to a person familiar with the matter, who also added that the Huawei plan to release Hongmeng along the Mate 30 phones. So I believe that the Huawei will be used their latest operating system Hongmeng OS in their Chinese market, but in their international market there's a come with Android smartphone. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button, let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.